unboxing of I just purchased a new vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum cleaner. I previously purchased this one here. This one I have is vacuum and mopping at 2-in-1. But I purchased on Amazon. It's from Xiaomi, called Robo Rock S5, and it's pretty cool. I purchased from Amazon 1 year ago, and now it worked great. But now, as after a year, it started to have problems. So then I have to purchase a new one from a company called 360 Smart 360. It's from China, and again I purchased on Amazon. This new one is called 360 Smart S6. It's both the vacuum and mopping 2-in-1. Okay, so let's unbox. And the price I get is $400, around $400. And this one is $560 something. That's the current price. So this one, the new one, is a little bit cheaper. So I have so this is the name, 360 robot vacuum cleaner. So the one thing I like about these robot vacuum cleaners that is you can it can navigate around the house by itself, and then you can schedule it when to clean it, and yeah, you can also specify which room to clean. So inside there's another box. 360. It's in the front. So inside, first one we have is sort of envelope. So user manual, quick guide, app instruction. Okay. So we're gonna leave this here real quick. Then here is the again, it's you know, the quality of these vacuum is very nice. It look like if you open, you see it in, you know, with your own eyes. It look like it made by Apple or something. It's very nice. The material is not cheap at all. It's very quality plastic. And this is the tank to hold the water for the mopping function, so it can clean and mopping at the same time. So this is the water going through here. So I guess you put the water right here, see? And so they give you this cloth. And you can wash it. Okay, so that's that. And then here, so we have a charging cable, cleaning tool. And then we have the base. Okay. You know what? You know, this type of charger is for Asia and Europe, but I think it's supposed to come with a switch out for the US version. That's what it said on Amazon website. So I'm look. I don't see it now. I don't see it. Oh, there's more. Okay. I guess so the different plug thing. So they give you, I think this is Europe. I think this is for US, I think. I don't know where's this one for. I don't know, but I know this is for US. So the first thing I have to do is, so I guess we have to switch out for the US one. So we're good. So let me. Okay. So now we got the base here, and let's in the base. Let's move this outside. As you can see, just let you see side by side of these two. And then this one Xiaomi, this one is 360. Both of them from China. Yeah, so compare, see the height. Oh, this is the fun of it. This is the fun. Okay. And as you can see, this one had two brooms, the sweeper, where this one only have one. See? This one have two. So this where it sweep the dirt things. I think. Oh, okay. Let's see. So you put a. So it's pretty neat. Put in. Then put in. Okay, so if any of you this is the first time you know about this kind of vacuum, this is a charging station. So these robot here, when it's run out of battery, it will go back to this docking stations and charge. Once it has enough battery, then it will continue cleaning. And the cool thing about these robots is that let's say if it stops cleaning halfway through the house, then it go back to the base, the docking station here, to charge. And once it finishes charging, it will continue to wherever the last time it stopped, and it'll continue from there. So it's not like start from beginning or anything. Okay. And something to know, see this on top of here, see these two guys have this is the laser radar scanner. So basically go around the room. You don't have to tell anything, so it's kind of scan, it kind of scan the walls, and any objects in the room, and then try to avoid it and then go around it. And you can even turn off the lights. It can operate in the dark, so it kind of shoot out laser, and then so it kind of scan and know which object is on its way, and then map out the whole room. And then once it finishes, every time it's clean, it kind of map out. You don't have to tell. You don't have to tell what's the perimeter or anything. It just know and go and scan, and work on it. Oh, okay. So this first thing is let open. So this one, this is the dust bin. So this is how. Again, the material is very, very good. It's not cheap at all. It just look like made by Apple or something. And it comes with this here filter. It's a washable filter. I just don't know how to take it out. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can take it out, and then again, if it gets dirty, you can take it and wash it and then reuse it again. So if you never purchase any of these kind of robot, it saves you a lot of time to have one of these robots. It's clean my house every day. You know, you get home, it's, you know, there's no dirt, anything. It just, and these guys can go any carpet or hardwood floor or tile floor. So it kind of go most of the terrain. Okay, so that is, and then this guy here will have the dirt. So you open up and why it's so tough to get out. Okay, there you go. Okay, have some dirt in it, so it has been used. Just for comparison. I would say they're about the same size, so I think it will hold about the same amount. And this guy here, again, the water tank, and also have a cloth. Again, it's kind of dirty. So you put the water in, and then underneath it, you got these. Okay, it look like, yeah, it's over a year already. And it clean my house every day. And the bottom, this guy, look almost the same. But again, the difference is this guy have two brooms sweeper, and where this guy only have one. Okay, and okay, so I'm gonna put in, while you're looking at that, I'm gonna go get some water and put water in here, and I'll be right back. So take a look around. Okay, so I'm back with water in it, some water in it. So let's put this guy here. Okay, this one is different. The way you snap, you put the water tank on is you gotta put it in and kind of snap in. There is like 2 clipper right here, and then we have to put it in and snap it. Where this guy here is quite easy. Low, take it out. Just like the 2 lock thing. Just slide in and out. Put it back and click. Well, this guy, every time you take it, you have to click it. Yeah, it looks like it's in. So if I want to take it out, I basically pull it out. Like, see? I want to do that now. Okay. So, what's this here? Oh, there are some things right here say remove before use. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay, and each of these guys have its own app, okay? And the cool thing is about it is every time you can open up the app, for this guy here, is see, I have 1. So you see, this is the map that this the Xiaomi robot clean and then show you. See this line that you see right there? That is the paths that the robot took to clean. So you can see exactly where it has been. Okay, and you see all the, so this is the map of my house. And again, the robot generates this map by itself. I don't have to do anything. And then you can control, even you can be away from home, and you can tell it to clean any room if you want to. And and then once it finishes cleaning, it will notify you, so you can check when you're away. So that is for the Xiaomi app. And now this is 360 Smart. This is another app, so this is brand new. So I'm gonna set it up, add a device. Okay. So this is the new one is the S6. Okay. Have the power press. Okay, have the power on. Okay. Hopefully there's some battery in it. Okay. Nice sound. Okay.
Powering on. Please wait.
Okay, just for you guys know that there is other robot vacuum cleaners made from the U.S. manufacturers.
Robot has been started.
Okay. Add the power. That's a whole. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 fingers hold.
Wi-Fi has been reset. Please follow the app tips to connect to the network.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to enter the password. So, and these robots also connect to Alexa, so I can actually say something like, "Hey, robot, clean the house" or something, and it will start cleaning. So I can basically control from Alexa. So it's connecting the device.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
The robot starts binding.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna get here, and you guys can check out the docking station. See, compare the docking station. I'm gonna go. Okay. Come on. Okay. Gotta move a bit. Okay. Wow, it look like gonna take some time.
The network has been connected successfully. What can I do for you?
Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh. So let's see. The first thing I wanna do is see what. Okay, it's from the app. You can see the battery remaining. Okay, I need to do the. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it later. So right there, as you can see, it starts scanning. You see it, the purple flashing thing. So the green thing is a charging station. The flashing purple here is the robot itself. So so these are the functions you can do. So you can send a command to go and go to charge. Okay, so let this guy out, right?
Charging.
And so from here, as you can see, the robot right there, right? So I can send a command, say, hey, go charge.
Go charging.
So now you see the robot start to go back to the docking station. Oh, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, you're going the wrong way. It's over there. Well, this is the first time, the first time I have the guy, the Xiaomi one. I think the same thing is the first time is have a hard time of locating, but once it's located, is docking station. So the next time will be,
Repositioning. Let me fix the route.
okay, if you can look at the app again, it starts scanning. So you see, it try to detect, map out the house or the room. Hey, where are you going? Okay. Oh, this one. Huh?
This one is quieter than that one.
Yeah, this one is. I guess it's quiet. Actually, there's different levels of cleaning. So if I go on like turbo mode, it's gonna get loud. But right now, I think this is the lowest level. So that's why it's stay quiet. Oh, come on, go back to your docking station. Okay, it looked like finally. Come on, come on. No. What are you doing? Oh, finally.
Charging.
Oh, jeez. Okay. See, if you look at the app so far, that's what it kind of scanned. See the lines here is the walls. Okay. So from here, I can tell it to go ahead and okay. Let's see what kind of option we have. See, we have different mode. See, let's click on this. Quiet mode. Okay. Then you click on it again, powerful mode, so that gonna get loud. But again, if you have a lot, if your house dirty or something, the floor dirty, then I guess you would go that. Okay, let's try a power mode to see. Okay, with these two guys, this guy here with a full charge, it has 150 minutes. This one only have 110 minutes on a full battery. Okay. And okay, so another cool thing about this is that you can control to say, hey, I don't want it to clean a certain area, like like an area where I have like my kid toys or anything. I can actually map it out and say, for example, I say, see, so far this is my living room, right? So I say, hey, don't clean this corner here, for example. And I go ahead and see that. So you see this block square rectangle here? It say that corner don't clean it. So if I start to ask it to clean right now, it will try to avoid that. So this is very useful features. Again, like there are certain areas that I don't want it to go through because I have things over there that have little toys, or my kid have things on the ground. I don't want it to go there. Okay. But the Xiaomi one, this version here, does not have that feature. Okay. The only thing is you can say, hey, go to a specific room and clean there and go back, and that's it. Or it can go to the whole entire house and clean. Okay. So right now I want to start. Oh, okay. You have a sweeping. What's this? Sweeping?
The battery is too low. Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. I wanted to clean, but it doesn't. So there's a battery. There's only 17% remaining. Okay. Okay. So guys, I hope this is a good review. Gives you some idea of what these robots are about. If you don't have one, I think it's great. Great investment to get one. Gonna make your life much easier. And I was talking earlier that when I start looking into getting these robot vacuum, I try out iRobot. Is from a manufacturer in the U.S. and it costs around just the vacuum. I only have one feature, which is the vacuum only, and costs about $800. And then compared to this one, costs you about $400 or $500. Okay, $400 to $600, and it can both cleaning and mopping at the same time. So I think it's better investment, and the quality is nice. I mean, the build quality is good quality. So I think you if you don't have one, again, take it. You're gonna like it. Okay, I hope you like it, and if you haven't, if you can subscribe, that's great. Thank you.